follow. Don't know if you'll overstay. I got my own truth to swallow. And you know that if I could, you know, I would throw my guitar out of my back, pick up the slack and leave here tomorrow. But another time upon the Babylon, I got to face the facts, embrace the acts, got these chains of my sorrow. So I'm on a permanent holiday. I'm going outside to play. I ain't gonna slave away, no. Not for no corporate Babylon. I'm never gonna be a pawn in their manipulation games. 10,000 years of captivity, we must eventually open up our eyes and see they're manipulating we with so much uncertainty and so many mysteries. Why are so few questioning the unnatural state of things? It's a nightmare, we're living in a nightmare. Everyone's living so scared, they're virtually unaware of this fear that rules their lives, occupies, consumes their minds. This fear of bankruptcy, financial impotency. It's money, 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 money. It's all this digital currency, oh yeah. It's all this monopoly money that keeps us from ever being free, oh. So it seems we'll be in this prison for life. 'Cause if we keep buying, then they'll keep selling the lies. So it's up to I and I. Nip, mind, in, I, rev, make, sell, I, change, man, words, I, be, I, be, nip, like, mind, show, in, take, I, seek, rev, flesh, make, life, sell, break, I, be, change, seek, manifest, words, speak, I, fuse, be, press, I make, own, sis, I won't be manipulated, mind control, and in and take that I will seek a revelation, make my life a celebration. I will be the change I'm seeking, manifest the words I'm speaking. I refuse to be imprisoned, I will make my own. Oh Lord, I wanna be manipulated, mind controlling, inundated. I will seek the revelation, make my life a celebration. I wanna be the change I'm seeking, manifest the words I'm speaking. I refuse to be imprisoned, I will make my own decisions. I'm on a permanent holiday, I'm going outside to play. I ain't gonna slave away, not for no corporate Babylon. We got to take back the power. We got to take back the knowledge. We got to take back the power. We got to take back the knowledge. We got to take back the power. Take back what they have stolen from our hearts. And we got to take back the esoteric knowledge. Oh Lord, for too long they've been keeping us apart. Oh yeah, we got to take back the knowledge, take back the power. Humanity, don't let this be our final hour. Take back the knowledge, take back the power. Humanity, don't let this be our final hour. Take back the knowledge, take humanity, don't let this be our final hour. Take back the knowledge, take back the back the knowledge or take back the power.
Take the brakes off. Head alright, yeah. Whatever it takes us to, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. To get high. I chase the devil, yeah, yeah, yeah. like so. Then alright. Who never take my name? Oh, I forget my name. 'Cause it's always like cocaine, yeah. Oh, I forget my name. See, I drink the venom to release the pain. Or chain smoking, I suffocate, yeah. 'Cause we be rebels, the beast untamed. Sticky fingers, don't forget the name. 'Cause it's always like cocaine, yeah. Oh, I forget my name. Oh, I forget my name. It's always like cocaine, yeah. Oh, I forget my name. Oh, I forget my name.
This generation rules the nation with version. Music answer the food of love. Songs to really make you rub and scrub. Dang 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 biddly bang biddly bang bang biddly 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 bang. I say
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
give me the music, make me jump and pump.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
walk in the dark.
It was a cool and lonely, breezy afternoon. How does it feel when you got no food? You could feel it 'cause it was the month of June. How does it feel when you got no food? So I left my gate and went out for a walk. How does it feel when you got no food? As I passed the dreadlocks camp, I heard them say, how does it feel when you got no food? Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and prance.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
walk in the dark. Bang bang biddling bang biddly bang 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 biddling bang biddly biddly bang.
So I stopped to find out what was going on. How does it feel when you got no food? 'Cause the spirit of Jah, you know he leads you on. How does it feel when you got no food? There was a ring of jets and the session was there in swing. How does it feel when you got no food? And you could feel the chill as I seen and heard them say. How does it feel when you got no food? Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and prance.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
walk in the dark. Me say listen to the drum and me say listen to the bass. Give me little music, make me wind up me waist. Me say listen to the drum and me say listen to the bass. Give me little music, make me wind up me waist. I say
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
give me the music, make me jump and prance.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
walk in the dark. You play it on the radio, and so me say we a go hear it on the stereo. And so me know we a go play it on the disco. And so me say we a go hear it on the stereo.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and prance.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
walk in the dark.
On the left hand side. On the left hand side. On
You play it on the radio, and so me say we a go hear it on the stereo. And so me know we a go play it on the disco. And so me say we a go hear it on the stereo.
pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and prance.
It a go done.
Give me